Suryakumar Yadav will captain Mumbai Indians in their IPL 2025 season opener against Chennai Super Kings. Regular captain Hardik Pandya is unavailable due to a one-match ban for a slow over rate at the end of the last season. With Jasprit Bumrah also out due to injury, Suryakumar's role as captain is not surprising, especially since he's been leading the T20 team for the past year. Hardik confirmed Suryakumar's captaincy for the CSK match during the pre-season press conference, which he attended with the head coach Mahela Jayawardene.
Surya obviously, leads India as well. When I'm not there, he's the ideal choice in this format and exciting one as well. So,
in the press conference, Hardik Pandya opened up about missing the opening game.
To my question, I think that is out of my control. Last year, what occurred was part of the sport. We bowled, I think, 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes late the last over, and at that point of time, I didn't know the consequences, what can happen. But it is unfortunate, but I think rule says it. That means I have to go with the process. Next year, do they continue, not continue? I think that is on the higher authorities. They can definitely see into it what best can be done and see how we can take it forward.
Hardik Pandya also talked about his leadership skills as the captain of Mumbai Indians.
Quickly my life has been quite up and down, but I think that has been the learning which I really enjoyed. It has just not taught me about the sport, it has taught me about life as well, that how life would be over the years. This year it's a fresh year, 366 days. As you mentioned, a lot of things have changed, a lot of love and joy, and a lot of things are added. So, 3.0 would be, every year I think it has become a 0.0 added. But this year it will be same. There will be always passion, there will be always grit, there will be always challenges, which I love. And I think for me, the crucial part would be to, make sure that the challenges are not the way how they've been thrown at me, but to my boys, if the challenges are thrown, how I can help them and, fight their way out. So for me, this year, the challenges and the excitement part is that how can I add more value to all the players who are there. And my journey will keep continue. I'm here.
With Surya leading Mumbai, the team will be looking for a strong start to the season. His fearless approach and positive mindset make him a great choice for this opening match. Hardik will return for Mumbai's next game, a big clash against his former team, Gujarat Titans, on March 29th in Ahmedabad. But for now, it's all eyes on Suryakumar Yadav and the season opener against CSK.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.